Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and today we're going to talk about Sebo's ET1 and ET2 power heads. ET power heads are recognized as the world's most durable, reliable, and well-designed power heads. Sebo power heads are made in Germany, just like their vacuum cleaners, and we sell a lot of Sebos because of this power head, and let me tell you why. Typically the ones we have in the store are the ET1, which is a 12-inch size, which is what I have here, and then they have the ET2, which is 15 inches wide, and you can purchase that on our online store as well. However, 12 is usually the perfect size for large homes as well as small homes because it will get in between furniture and not be too large to fit between things. These power heads offer amazing 180 steering. That has to do with its neck right here. They have the ability to have different adjustment levels, up to 4 different adjustment levels depending on what type of carpeting you have, low pile all the way up to shaggy carpet. You can turn the brush roll on and off through the switch here, and that is nice because if you wanted to use this just on a regular hard surface, you turn your brush roll off so that brush roll doesn't throw things out in front. And then we get to the way that Sebo has designed this. They made this fun door that opens up in case you suck up something you shouldn't, get it clogged or something like that. This little door will help you access that. You can access it through here or through your brush roll area, which brings me to the brush roll area. These are so easy. There's a button that says press, and all you do is press it and you can remove the brush roll just like that. If you have pets with long hair, if you have long hair in your household, this is the best thing for you because you can maintain your brush roll. Not to say hair will get wrapped around it. Sometimes it's impossible. You suck up a string, something very long, it's gonna get wrapped around. So by being able to maintain that brush roll yourself, you will extend the life of your cleaner head and your power head. These are virtually maintenance free. Virtually is what I say. Besides cleaning off that brush roll and maybe replacing a brush roll in the future, depending on use, you might have to do that every 5 to 10 years. These can pretty much be used and forgotten about. These units have protected rubber coated wheels, so when you're using this on hardwood, which it's totally safe to do, these wheels will glide across the hardwood very nicely. The L-shaped contour makes it easier for you to get underneath a counter or a couch, just to get under things in general. Very good edge cleaning for your carpets as well. When you purchase from VacMD and you purchase a Sebo vacuum, you get a 10-year warranty on parts and 7-year warranty on labor. If you are in the market for a Sebo, do consider a unit with a power head if you have carpet. These are great. These are our favorite. They're nice and lightweight compared to other brands, so it makes it easier for you to do your carpeted surfaces as well. If you have any other questions about Sebos or Milas or any other vacuum, go ahead and comment below. We'll get right back to you. Always make sure you subscribe. It's free and it helps a small business. If you have any other suggestions for videos to come, comment below as well, and we'll see you guys all again soon.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.